Welcome to LeadWave. In this small video tutorial today, we are going to see how you can create templates. In the left main menu, select templates main menu. It will show you all the templates you already created. When you click on create templates, it will show you different categories. The reason why we have a different categories, because when you see the list, by looking at the name and type, you'll be able to identify what kind of a template it is. So based on your needs, you have to select the particular template types in order to cater your requirement. And each template type will give you access to set of different forms. For example, when you click on text message, it will allow you only to write the message, that's all. Similarly, if you click on message and templates, it will allow you to write the message plus upload the image here. Similarly, when you click on buttons, it will allow you to write the message, upload the image, and add buttons here. In the normal buttons, you'll be able to add 3 buttons here. Okay, that restriction you need to consider while creating the buttons. Okay, similarly, when I take on message plus list, the way we create buttons is slightly different from the way we create list. So when you are creating the list, you have to add sections here and specify each and every information here. Within the section, you can add more rows to cater different requirements. When you click on mixed interactive button, you will be able to create 5 different buttons. Leadway is the only application available in the market wherein you can send message by adding 5 buttons. 2 quick replies, 1 call to action URL, 1 call to action phone, and copy pop. Similarly, we have provision of carousel messages also. In no single application available in the market, carousel messages are going. So the way we create carousel is different than the way we create buttons, list, and mixed interactive buttons. In carousel, we have to add cards. You can add up to 10 cards, and each cards will have a description, a title, description, footer, images, and the URL if you want perhaps. Similarly, you can have 10 different cards. So I hope this clarifies. I hope you'll be able to correct templates in LeadWave now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.